Okay, fans, YouTube and Facebook fans, good evening.
Bugart Sweet Sulaiman.
Since the,
Owen.
of course, you
Why you control me or not?
know,
Oh, because I'm strong. You know that?
I said in the video, one more time rematch in 2K18.
Oh, no very much.
Since we're live, the car is not in good condition today.
Not very much because very much I'm lost.
You know why? He's a Shield member. Because Brock Lesnar beat him 2 times, you'll do the same. Okay? Since we're switching taxi to taxi, Bing Boss car to Bing Boss car, and we're having our car back, this time I'll make my doors open. So that I have air feeling. Here is Purper. The Stone Cold and you shy to do it. Maybe the fans will know. Right in the gate, fans. Right in the gate. Okay. Look at the sky. It's full of dust. No stars yet, no clouds. Grandband is walking down the ramp. In fact, the door is open. See? That's B-boy. Stone Cold and B-boy. Now showing. Madagascar. Since I'll close the door now. Since later I'll create girls like Ghlyzel Leila Date, Garcia, and Kathryn Bernardo. Here's Purper walking down Stone Cold sign. Stone Cold and B-boy. Whoa. He did it! Since the Irish forgot today and LeBron wants today. The Irish, you forgot my. What's the dragonfly doing here? You go down, walk down the ramp. Walking down the ramp from the knee to the floor. I did that in the math class since Meredith was busy. Later my dance will be included there. See, good thing I closed the door so that the flies won't fly. It chokes. Here is John Christian. Yeah. The annual fiesta continues. Flip the switch, guys. Flip the switch. Redman is moving around. Since Jericho is still having fiesta until May 24, but my recital will be May 25. You feel the difference of here is yeah, back and forth. Go, guys. This is my part 45 switch live here in the car. Hot car. Here is Purper, the man who is a man. Well, never mind. The man, the ghost manual. See, back and forth ba? They're doing teamwork. John Christian. Okay, fans. I'll do piano practice later. Well, Rodman is falling down the absolute can and he stand up again. Say goodbye to your line when you graduate, AJ. Since you get mad at me during cooking. If you do that again this year, I'll feel no mercy. Here is John Christian. He's afraid. So how's your girlfriend days, AJ? Feeling AP? Here is Purper. And John Christian meeting at one time. What? The same place. Of course.
Oh.
He's sniffing around something.
Aposaretos. Yun na, Aposaretos. Yun na, Aposaretos. Jason.
Nope.
Tell me why. Gusto mo back dive saan? Ha? You want back dive? Huh?
Then show in front of the floor.
Versace on the floor.
You show it to Boy in Zam the Disco Boys, Throwback Land Heights. Raven wrong, oh. Raven wrong, oh.
Ba't lang? Ano bang ito? Opaw?
Good looking friends. Nice piano practice today, Matt. I repeat, C80, math, piano, speech, wrestling, eat, CR, sleep. Routine, repeat. It's hot like Westbrook Wednesday. It is the first time that the big three wear blue. Me, John Christian, and Joy Buhayan. In May 18, 2017, mark the date. The big three who wear blue. 2 boys and 1 girl.
Ay, ako?
Tay ako! Later, do Randy Orton versus El Diablo. Rodman, just watch and learn how I RKO'd the Super KO boxer. Heel pin. The referee pins 1, 2, 3. And then they have the rematch in 2K18. And then, you know, Paul Madamba won twice. Sean Sayante won once.